Hello everyone. We are going to change out our air conditioner with a Maxx Air Fan today. I'm super excited. My name is Angelica from Born to be Nomadic, and I'm excited to share this with you. This is going to be a fantastic change for boondocking, since we are almost never at an RV park. We almost never have hookups. We run everything on solar. This is going to be awesome. So let's do it.
For our fan install today, we laid down a sheet over the bed so that we wouldn't get anything on top of the bed. This is what it looks like before. Here's the air conditioner we are about to take out. Our friend is helping us today take the air conditioner out. This is our friend Anita.
Okay, so here's our electrical. That's the DC we're gonna tap into.
Turns out that's the electric for the air conditioning, so we will not be tapping into that after all.
Alright, so yeah, we'll have to bring DC for when you start a job, and then you have to go to Home Depot to buy the
Luckily, Home Depot is like literally 5 minutes on the road.
Right?
That's what I was thinking about. I'm like, is Home Depot open?
We ended up getting the DC power from a nearby light. Here we're trying to figure out which gauge of wire we already have, so maybe we don't have to go to Home Depot to wire the fan to an existing light socket. Of course, we need
some good eyes around here. But I might have that. I might have some.
I think we'd have to disconnect the battery. Isn't that the only thing we can do?
We did this last time and we didn't disconnect the battery.
So live DC.
We have heavy duty fittings on our battery and we didn't feel like disconnecting it. So we pulled the fuse that goes with the area we were working in.
Because what I want to make sure that we can run these lights with the fan on.
Did the air conditioner come out? Come on up. Come join me.
I did not have the camera on that whole time.
Here it is. It's heavy. Excuse me.
You're reading the manual?
Alright, so this is the Maxx Fan installation instructions for all models of the Maxx Fan, which there are 15 different models, just so you know.
Oh, sideways again.
Back the truck up.
Why are we so dumb?
That would have been brilliant. You even have that rooftop tent.
Right?
We could have stood on that. We could have literally stood on that tent. God. We're so dumb.
First time around.
And are you gonna, because we're gonna have to push this back in, how do you?
Let's see. Probably.
Oh, no, we should be able to access all of that until we put in the final piece, Paul.
Yeah, but this is gonna need to move in for us to put in.
The fan doesn't go too far in there. You'll see when you do it. Putting in the first piece, you put in a layer of butyl tape that will stop any water from being able to get in that final area so it doesn't hurt your roof. I'll put a link to that in the description.
Much with Boeing.
I mean, we might as well put a double layer, and we have plenty of butyl tape. After we put in the butyl tape, we secure the first piece to the top of the trailer.
So we're drilling in the screws to the mounting bracket, but we're making sure not to go too tight here because this roof is beveled, and so we don't want to pull down this bracket too much and not be able to slide the fan in place. We go up and, registering at an RV park, and they're like, yeah, it is, clothing optional. And we're like, okay, hot springs, that's pretty normal. And then we park our RV, and the campground host takes time to visit us, walks up, is butt naked through the RV park, just like, hey folks. Had his little baby arm of a...
Next, we want to secure the AC wiring that was there for the air conditioner, which we will not be using for the fan. We made sure to label the wiring just in case someone else wants to do something different with this trailer later on.
Uh-oh.
And finally, it's time to insert the fan into the hole where the air conditioning was, and it's a perfect fit. Yay! I went onto the roof and die-cored all around the fan, including on top of all of the screws. This will stop water from being able to come in. I did use an entire tube of die-core. I highly suggest using more than you think you're going to need because no one wants water coming into the roof. Now we are just trying to figure out how to get the wiring to work correctly inside of the RV, but the fan is fully installed. And then here's the scissors too, babe.
Come feel, baby.
All right, master switch on. Lights are on. Fan is on.
Fan is
Test. Oops, that's auto. That's on.
not on. There it goes.
Whoa.
Now let's open it. Oh, it is open.
I'm being soft.
You're sucking the air out. See it, do it, so change the flow so that the air comes in.
Reverse. Reverse. It just takes a sec.
No, I was going to increase the speed.
Oh yeah, that feels better already. Oh, right here. And for the finishing touch, we add the bracket that covers up all the wiring and makes it look pretty. I'll put links in the description to everything we needed for this build out and also on borntobenomadic.com. Please purchase through our links. It totally helps us out making more videos. Thank you so much for watching. We love to have you, and please subscribe.